Welcome back. We are stepping into the Sculpt mode. You could simply click to enter, or you could use this to just enter into Sculpt mode. Now Sculpt mode is, as the name implies, you are sculpting your object. So there's a lot of tools here. For now we would just be using the grab tool. So you could just hit G, and then let's increase the radius to this. This would set the affected area. If it's really small, you're only going to be moving just a tiny portion. Once you click and move, or once it's big and then increase the strength, we can essentially work around this. Right, so for starters, let's push in the top section, and then can just move this, give it a more weirder look, and then the rest is up to you to just structure it however you want to. Just play around with it. Move this around, move that around. It looks okay for me, so I'm going to step back into object mode. You can just hit layout, or as usual just hit tab to quickly come back here, and then we can work with our lights. So to put in the lights, you add in lights like you would add in any object. Shift A, and then come right here to add in a light. Let's pick the source. Let's pick area. Let's pick area for now. See how that looks. We can change the color by coming to this light bulb right here, and then let's give it the green color. Right, now we can lift the light up like we would grab and move any object. So hit G and then Z to just move it up so it shines throughout the object. Right, now we have our lighting system here, but it's dim, so let's add more power to it to give it the glowing effect. And to finalize the look, we are going to step back in edit mode to create the stalk. Dark brown stalk. Of course, we can hit C and then make it a bigger. Select a bigger area. It may be more advisable to use face select. Come back, just select that area. Hit enter once you're done. And then once you're done with that, we are going to extrude. Hit E to extrude it. Just pull it right up, and then hit G to move it to get the randomization inside, and then extrude once again. Hit G to move. Hit S to scale it down. Hit E to extrude again. So just combine these to get the look and feel that you would want. Right on. Once that's done, we may want to give this stalk a different color. To do that, simply select it out. Try to select it out. Of course, there are better ways to select, which we would address as we move on in these two tutorials. For now, let's just do it the hard way. Right on. So once that's done, what you would want to do is still in edit mode, you come to materials, add in a new material, and then hit assign. Now once that's done, you can create the material and change the color, make that brown and way deeper, and then you can return. So you can adjust this to fit need. Seems I made it too dark. Right on, and that makes up not so nice looking jack-o'-lantern, but we did a really great job. In the next session, we would be addressing rendering and exports. Rendering would allow us to capture an image of a model here, so we'll finally be making use of our camera, and export would come in handy when we need to send this entire workspace or this entire models here, everything we have here, to a friend who wants to also have access and then make their own changes to the models.